everyone, and welcome back to Pomchi Plays. Welcome to Unpacking the Game. This will be my very first PC game that I've recorded, so let me know what you think. But I discovered this game watching another gamer play it on YouTube. I will link her down below. She was awesome. But I highly recommend this game. It's super relaxing. And me kind of being the type A OCD kind of person, I like to have things in their place. And this is the game for that. But this is just gonna kind of be a test run. We're gonna play the first couple of levels, and then we'll see how we like it. So this is our very first room that we have to unpack. So let's see what we got here. Got a ball. I'll just put it over here for now. Backpack. Wonder if when you take stuff out, can you put it back in the box? I guess not. Ooh, I love the sound when you put stuff down. I love that. I'm just gonna kind of put stuff down so I can see what I'm doing here. See what I have to organize. This piggy bank definitely goes on the shelf, though. Book. Simon Says. Heck yeah. What is that? Is that a dreidel? What is that in particular? Garbage can. Chessboard. Okay. And let's put this in the drawer. And the ruler. Actually... pillow? Yes, the pillow moves. There we go. Okay. Now, I think I'll leave the markers for now. More books. Scissors definitely go in the drawer. I think that's an eraser. Stuffed animals will go on the bed for now. What is this? Oh, it's a poster. Yes, I love it. Okay. My nose is so runny today, you guys. I really apologize. Game Boy, definitely. What did this say? 1997? That was when I was born, so definitely game for that. It's a good year. Camera. I'll go on the shelf. Flashlight. Bus. Jump rope, I think we'll go with that. Oh, that's a cute little book with a bear on it. I think I want to like lay it down here. I could stack this stuff, that's annoying. I hate that I can't stand these markers up. Who lays them flat? That's just ridiculous. I guess I can't put that book on the table, so that's a bummer. It doesn't fit. Shoot. Okay. pretty. Alright, you guys, so I think that is it for this recording today. I plan to stream this if you guys are interested. So if you are, definitely comment in the comments down below if you want to see a stream. And be sure to subscribe so that you know when I am live, because I will post it in the community posts for my channel. And you guys will get notified when I am live if you are subscribed and a part of the Pomchi pack. So be sure to do that if you are interested. Thank you so much for joining me today for Pomchi Plays and for this amazingly relaxing game. It continues to get harder as you play along. You continue to grow up with this girl and you move into different places and unpack your things. So I highly recommend it. The link will be down in the description box below if you would like to download this game as well. Not a sponsor, not paid in any way, just saw this game, fell in love with it, and want to share. So thank you so much for joining me today again, and I will see you guys in the live stream. See you soon. Bye!